Hi, I'm Neha Shah from Finbar Sales, and welcome to Civic Heart, Finbar's newest landmark apartment development here in South Perth. Surrounded by the stunning Swan River, discover a range of exquisite apartments in Perth's tallest residential tower designed to suit your everyday need. Civic Heart features 308 apartments spread across two towers, the 20-storey Men's Tower and the 37-storey Mill Point Tower, connected by the amenities deck. With a mix of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom options, the Platinum apartments offer a blend of elegance and functionality. Enjoy the stylish timber flooring and the convenience of keyless entry and video intercom. Featuring stone splashbacks and bench tops, semi-integrated dishwashers, Siemens appliances and 2.7 metre high ceilings, these apartments are crafted for comfort. The apartments also feature double glazed windows which provide insulation, reduce noise pollution and keep the temperature comfortable year-round. Selected apartments also feature a dedicated drying court. Each detail from the stone finishes to the modern appliances have been thoughtfully selected to enhance your living experience. Step into the luxurious sky homes on level 30 and above, where sophistication reaches new heights. These residences, with up to 198 square metres of internal living space, come with an integrated fridge and freezer, Gaggenau appliances, and a Bosch washer and dryer, ensuring every convenience is at your fingertips. For the ultimate in luxury living, the penthouse offers an unparalleled experience. 3-metre-high ceilings, a scullery, wine cabinets, and a barbecue on the expansive balcony. Enjoy spacious living areas and breathtaking views, all designed to provide the utmost comfort and style. Security is important, and that's why the building features CCTV throughout the development, a concierge in both Main Street and Mill Point lobbies, and is equipped with a parcel smart locker system. Additionally, there are 2 fully furnished and equipped guest apartments, allowing friends and family to stay short-term in comfort and style. Sustainability is key at Civic Heart, with electric vehicle charging bays in the car park and the option for all residents to retrofit their bays with EV charging stations. Experience the height of luxury living at Civic Heart. To find out more, head to our website, civicheart.com.au.